welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra. We're here to do a quick tutorial, and today we're using the Stupid in Love collection with Lady Gaga. I did a mini review on her. I created like 3 looks, but today we're using the blue shades. I wanted to create this very blue eyeshadow look just using this palette, and I use I think another color of a different brand that I will link below also for the tutorial. And I just really wanted to focus on the blue because I'm actually creating videos back to back of 3 different looks. Obviously you're gonna get a first look, and this will be uploaded the week after the other look that you're looking. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the 3 looks that I was trying to create to make these 3 characters makeup looks. So I was kind of inspired by these 3 girls of superheroes. If you're a 90s kid, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but you have to follow me on IG because I will upload that video there or in TikTok. So I definitely will link both my IG and TikTok below if you're interested in following to see why I created these 3 different looks. And obviously this is look number 2, so I'm separating each look for each week so you guys can have consistent videos from me. So if you haven't seen the 3 looks that I created using this palette, I will link it below. And I created like 3 different looks using this, and so far I use all the 3. I use almost all the blues here, right here, and this one to create the smoky effect in the bottom of my eyes. But I use all the blues in the shade to create this look. And if you know me and you know I love blue eyeshadows, I just love creating blue looks. And I was thinking, because I was just super lazy because I have other shadows with different blues, I could have used the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette because that really has those different shades and different tones of blue to create this look. But I was like super lazy to go into my stash of makeup to actually retrieve it and take it out. So I went with what I had in my hand, which was this palette right here. So I wanted to create this look. So if you guys are interested on how I created this look, just keep on watching, and I will link everything below, from what foundation I'm using, what setting powder I use if I don't feature it in the video, so you guys could know what shade I am, what I'm using, so you guys could know. And like I said, you don't have to have the palette to create the looks. Grab any shades of blue that you have, and let's get working on creating this very simple look today with me. Alright, so guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But go ahead and follow me on Instagram to see what's up and what am I doing. I go ahead and post daily pictures when it comes to fashion and makeup if I don't post them here on YouTube. So go ahead and follow me there. Alright guys, thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.
느끼